Do you like this structure? Well, I'm going to teach you how to build it. So, for the first step, we will take the bottom piece and put it on the ground. Then we're going to take a wheel and attach the bottom of it to the top of the bottom of the track. Next, we are going to get 2 tubes and attach them to the top, to the bottom of the top of the wheel. Next, we are going to get a small ladder and attach the bottom of the small ladder to the top of the wheel. And add 3 tubes for support. Next, we are going to get a small little slide and attach the bottom of it to the top of the small ladder, and attach 2 tubes to the top of the bottom of the wheel, and attach the top of the 2 tubes to the bottom of the top of 2 tubes to the top of the slide for support. Next, we are going to get a wheel and attach the bottom of the wheel to the top of the small little slide and attach 2 tubes for support. Next, we are going to get 2 tubes and attach them together. And then we're going to attach both of the 2 tubes to the top of the wheel and attach around and round, and then a wheel chute and top entry for the finish. Now we are going to test it. Bye guys, like and subscribe.